Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So check out this sweet 2016 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in Quicksand. So this particular one has a number of goodies on it, as you can already see, so I'm excited to just walk you through it, surface value of what's going on here, as it is a pretty tremendous build. So I'm out here at Destination Outdoors. This was our final stop after yesterday's trail riding experience with Toyota and a few of our team members here. So definitely having an amazing time, and again, I'm still super humbled for the opportunity here, but I wanted to share this with you, as you don't see this every day, and it looks phenomenal, especially in the Quicksand, right? I know a lot of you guys have a soft spot for this. So let's start with the obvious. So you got the James Brown rooftop tent, which is the top of the line rooftop tent that you can get, even far superior, not far superior, I mean it's a step up for sure from the iCamper that I had, the Skycam 2.0. I love the fact that it's color matched too, so it definitely fits the bill of this particular truck. He has a Dobinson Air snorkel up here, Dobinson lift kit as well, so he has 3 inches up front and I believe 2.5 in the rear, so pretty sleek. Let me see if I can show you underneath it and give you an idea. So 3 inches up front, 2.5 in the rear. Cali race sliders here on the side, which look great. Nice subtle bits throughout the rain guard, stuff kind of blacking out the additional accents. I should have paused right here. So these are some Black Rhino hard alloys, nice wheels here. The Firestones on it. Let me see if I can spot the tire size for you. So we'll look at the one here in the rear and see if I can spot it a little quicker. So anyway, so you got the canopy in the back here, matching paint match, which looks great. They definitely make good use of their vehicles. In the rear, he has Timbren bump stops as well. So that's one thing you don't see too often. Let's see if I can get under there and show you. So those are the bump stops there. So if he were to, crash into a huge ditch or whatever, I mean, before the tire rips off part of the fender here and messes it up, it'll hit those, of course, and absorb the impact, which is pretty neat. You don't see that too often. I do like the idea that they went with the Firestones. I mean, you just don't typically see that too often, right? You get the same Middle Ridge grapplers, BFG Goodrich KO2s, you get the same exact ones over and over again. So pretty cool that he rolled with that. These are also Cali Rays ditch lights here. Yeah, I know there's a lot of Quicksand fans out there, so I definitely wanted to just take a few minutes and walk you guys through this one. And, I'll confirm the tire size too, and I'll throw it in the description for fun. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is this your go-to color selection, or is it Army Green, Voodoo Blue? Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys watching. Till next time.